Hello again. It's time for another Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. And today we're having a look at the past perfect. Now usually in English when we talk about something in the past, we use the past simple. For example, I went to Rome in 2010. However, if we want to talk about something that happened before I went to Rome in 2010, we have to use the past perfect. Have a look at this. Our sentence, I went to Rome in 2010. Here is our timeline. We are here. Now, it's the time of speaking. Everything in English is seen from this point now. Here is 2010. I went to Rome in 2010. Before that, no. So, to talk about the time before 2010, we have to use the past perfect, the time up until that time in the past. I went to Rome in 2010. I had never been to Rome before. I went to Rome in 2010. I had never been to Rome before 2010. To make the past perfect, you use had plus the past participle. Be was been. I went to Rome in 2010. I had never been to Rome before. Another example. Let's take away 2010. Let's make it last week and say, we went to the theatre last week. We didn't have to queue because I had bought the tickets before. So sometime before we queued to go into the theatre, I had bought the tickets in this time. So we went to the theatre last week. We didn't have to queue because I had bought the tickets before. Had, third form, buy, bought, bought. I had bought. I had bought the tickets before. So, English grammar, the past perfect, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.